Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. In this video I am going to review the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which is recently launched and it's a new addition in GoPro Hero series. Today I am going to dive deep into the details, including the price, release date, specs and exciting new features that will take your adventures to the next level. Let's get started now. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description. You can buy this camera at a discounted price, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Let's start by uncovering the key specification of GoPro Hero 12 Black. With a 1x1.9 inch sensor and a 8x7 aspect ratio, this camera offers a unique perspective for your shots and videos. Capture breathtaking moments with a maximum video resolution of 5K at 60 frames per second, providing exceptional clarity and details. Choose between 10-bit or 8-bit video recording to achieve the level of quality and flexibility you desire. For epic slow motion footage, the Hero 12 Black can shoot in 4K at 120 frames per second, letting you relive your adventure in mesmerizing detail. And with 27 megapixel photos, you can capture stunning still of your journey, ensuring every moment is worth remembering. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is the next generation stabilization. It comes with incredible hyper smooth 6.0 technology, providing unmatched stability for your videos no matter how bumpy the ride gets. What powers this incredible action camera? Let's find out. Enduro battery, ensuring long-lasting power for your adventures. No need to worry about running out of juice when you are in the middle of your action-packed moment. And with the GP2 processor, you can expect lightning fast performance and seamless operation, ensuring you never miss a shot. Now let's talk about the price. When you can get your hands on the exciting camera, the GoPro 12 Black comes in an attractive price of just $399 US, make it accessible to adventurers of all levels. The expected release date of Hero 12 Black is 13 September 2023. With its impressive specs, advanced stabilization, affordability and innovative features, the Hero 12 Black set to become must-have companion for every adventurer. Whether you are scaling mountains, riding waves or exploring new horizons, the GoPro 12 Black is ready to capture your journey like never before. That's wrap up my review. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.